Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in. Today is Sunday for me. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. I had some errands to do this morning, so I figured, well, I knew I had some filming to do, so I have for you today a few that I'm going to film. First one is Ipsy versus Ipsy. A favorite for me. I will admit that just because I love samples to try out, to travel with. This is $14 a month, 5 sample size products. We do get offered maybe 1 or 2 options for a full size product, and we do get to customize one of the products. We do pay $1.99 shipping and handling for each bag or box that you get, plus I do pay tax. I'm sure most of us do. I have no idea what bag is what bag. I have 2 accounts, 2 different profiles. The only thing that might be similar in the profiles is like some tones or shades so that I can still use it. You know, one's very comfortable with makeup, one's not very comfortable, younger, my true age. So sometimes they're identical, sometimes they vary, but you know, it is what it is. And so bag number 1, obviously, is the Beauty Olympics is the theme. And my card is blank. I don't like when that happens, but it is what it is. I can wing it. The bags look like this. Glam, nice pretty purple, green pull, gold zipper. I forget what the interior is, yellow. First item that is outside of my bag is the SL Miss Glam brush, and I did get one in my PR. I probably will keep these just because it's, you know, it's a good, you know, packer shadow brush. And I love SL Miss Glam, so I'm not unhappy with that. And let's see what else is in here. And in here from Manica Dar, I have Flawless Finish Dual Powder. Does that say dual powder? I don't know if there's shades on this. I will get my magnifier just because these small products make for very, very small print. So let's open this up. This is a sealed product. I don't know if there's a shade on this. I can tell you if there is. I have C2 Flawless Porcelain. Porcelain might be a little bit too light, but we'll have to see when we open it. Comes, you know, nicely wrapped up here. I'll dispose of that. Yeah, that. Here's the packaging. It'd be good for like under eye, but I don't think for all over face. Right here. Let me just see. Feels nice. It is, you know, rather light. So we'll see. I put it on my hand. It is light, but it could be a good under eye, you know, if you want to brighten like underneath your, I don't have a mirror, but like sometimes under here is dark. I don't know what that just did. On the sides of your nose, you know, and you could lighten up other places. So I'm not unhappy with that. You know, there's quite a bit in here. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of fallout. Can't get this back on though. Am I gonna bother? Yes. So that's not horrible. So that's 2 of the products. So far, so good. This here is from Femue, F-E-M-M-U-E. This is Ideal Intense Eye Cream. Never heard of this brand. Let's see if there's a seal on it. I prefer that there is. There is a safety seal, so that's good. So we'll give that a try. The next product is from Estee Lauder, Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. Nice that we're getting this in, you know, boxes. It can be a little pricey. So, and it should be a little tiny bottle. Yeah, I've had the full size of this. This is actually pretty nice. This is a dropper. And I cannot. There we go. Sometimes it's very difficult to open these small little packages. The big ones too. So it's a nice little dropper of your serum. You know, you need a drop or 2 under each eye. So that should be sufficient. And then last, since I don't have a card, I don't know who makes this. I need to find a brand. This is Finding Ferdinand. And this, I'm trying to find the color. This is a gloss color. I don't see a shade. I'm going to have to, so that's here. And this is sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed. I'm going to share this. I do not need another lip product. So that's not a bad shade. So if you, for me, maybe I'll definitely share the lip product. But so far, that one's good. I don't mind the powder. And you know I all love the brush. So that's bag number 1. And let's move her to the back. And the bag number 2, right here. Oh, allergies are driving me crazy. To the point where both of my dogs, it seems like every other year, suffer with allergies themselves. Itchy, scratchy, sneezy, like they get runny noses and stuff like that. I mean, it's horrible to watch, but you know, it is what it is. Card once again, and this one I do have a list of items, so I did get the brush again, so I might share one. I don't need 3 of the same brush, so I might share one of the brushes. You know, same bag, obviously everything's the same. And let's see what's in this one. Now I didn't pick the brush in both. I think I picked the brush in one, not realizing that of course I would get it in my own. From Dallas & James, this is all-in-one eye cream. Right here, tiny little sample. Next is from One Kind, the Youth Drops. I did get this. This is a gentle peel, refining peel. Probably good for maybe 1, maybe 2, probably just 1 use right there. Good face peel. And then from POREfessionals, the matte primer. I might share this too. I do have a few of these. So that's not bad. A little tiny. Could probably get a couple uses out of that depending on how much primer you use, or if you do your whole face or just your T-zone or stuff like that. I think I did pick this in this bag. And this is from the Beauty Vault. This is Regal Eyeshadow Palette, and obviously this is full size. Value of $23. The brush is full size, value at $21.50. So not bad. Let's see what you look like. So here, and I think I did get this in my PR, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll share one. Oops. Does have a little tiny shield. No mirror, but that's what that looks like. Great travel palette. So it does have a little shield. I'll put that back on. I don't want to touch. So I'll probably share this just because I don't need, like I said, to keep 2. Honestly, I don't think I have a favorite. I think they're pretty equal. I don't dislike the bags. I mean, I love the bag itself. Cute, cute bag. The brush, the primer, the palette, perfect. And then the peel, and then the eye cream, not bad. Like I said, I don't have a favorite. I think they're probably equal on the scale for me this month. Not getting a card in the first one with the products, that might take a few points away, but not to throw me over the edge either way. Let me know your thoughts. Do you get the glam bag? If you do, did you get any of the same products that I did? I'd love to know. And, you know, that's my little comparison for this month. I'm trying to put everything back in the bag. I do have some other filming to do today. So let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, I would love to know, do you get the glam bag? Did you give up on Ipsy a long time ago? I don't think I ever will, honestly. But that's my glam bag versus glam bag for the month of August 2024. Thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.